Today, let's understand this card in the simplest way possible. Imagine a beautiful woman sitting comfortably on a soft throne in the middle of nature. Around her, everything is green. Trees, plants, life is growing everywhere. In front of her, there is a field of wheat, showing growth, abundance, and real results coming with time. She is wearing a crown of 12 stars, showing her connection to the universe and natural cycles. Her dress is decorated with pomegranates, symbolizing fertility and the potential of life. Near her, there is a heart shaped shield with the symbol of Venus, representing love, beauty, comfort, and attraction. This tells us she does not chase things in life, she attracts them. Behind her, water is flowing gently, showing emotions moving freely, and life flowing without force. She is resting on soft cushions, showing comfort, peace, and emotional security. And in her hand, she holds a scepter with a round orb at the top, showing power, control, and the ability to shape her own world. She is calm, relaxed. She is not forcing anything. Yet, everything is growing around her. This is the Empress. Now, let's understand the meanings clearly. If this card comes upright, it indicates growth, abundance, and nurturing energy. It shows care, comfort, and emotional support. It represents attraction rather than force. This card is telling you to create the right environment in your life and allow things to grow naturally. If this card comes reversed, it shows lack of self care or emotional imbalance. It indicates overgiving or feeling drained. It can also show that you are forcing things or feeling blocked. This card asks you to pause and restore balance within yourself. Yes or no? If this card comes upright, it is a yes. If this card comes reversed, it is a no. Planet, energy, and chakra. The planet associated with this card is Venus. It represents love, beauty, attraction, and comfort. The element is earth, which relates to stability and growth. The chakra associated is the heart chakra, which represents love, compassion, and connection. Now, let's understand the life areas. Career studies. If this card comes upright, it does not ask you to chase opportunities. It asks you to build your skills and create a positive environment. When you are ready, opportunities will come to you. If this card comes reversed, it shows lack of motivation or forcing things too much. You may need to slow down and reconnect with your purpose. Love emotions. If this card comes upright, it shows a nurturing and loving energy. It asks you to build warmth, care, and emotional connection. Love will grow naturally in the right environment. If this card comes reversed, it shows emotional imbalance or overdependence. You may need to focus on self love first. Health. If this card comes upright, it shows healing through care, nourishment, and rest. Focus on supporting your body. Health improves when you take care consistently. If this card comes reversed, it shows neglect or imbalance. You may need proper rest and self care. General guidance. If this card comes upright, it asks you to stop forcing outcomes. Instead, create a peaceful and supportive environment. When the environment is right, things will grow on their own. If this card comes reversed, it asks you to focus on yourself first. Restore your energy before expecting results. So, this card teaches us one simple thing. You don't have to force life. You just have to nurture it. Because when the environment is right, everything begins to grow naturally.